everyone, my name is Angelica Renaud. I'm the owner of the Math Magician Services. I'm a certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor, and I've been using QuickBooks in my bookkeeping business for several years now. As a bookkeeper, I know organizing your finances is one of the most important things that you can do when you run your business. However, there really isn't a lot of information out there on how to do it properly. So, I created this course to help business owners like yourself learn how to achieve this using a bookkeeping software called QuickBooks. So let's go ahead and talk about this course and what to expect from it. So depending on the course that you signed up for, you can choose between a 4-week or 6-week long course. Each week will have live training sessions along with additional resources to help you learn. If for any reason you're unable to attend these live classes, you will still have access to a recorded version of them. However, you might miss out on an opportunity to ask questions pertaining to your needs. In these classes, I will be talking about how to record invoices, payments, track inventory, create projects, and use so many of the other features that QuickBooks offers. I will also be talking about real-life scenarios that you can follow along with and practice in real time using your own QuickBooks subscription as well. Either way, I look forward to helping you along your QuickBooks journey, and I will see you soon.